Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix League of Legends unable to connect to the logging queue. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix your League's unable to connect logging queue issue? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, how to fix League of Legends unable to connect to the logging queue. So it's very easy. First, you need to restart your PC. A simple restart can easily resolve any connection issues, including the log's inability to connect to the login queue. And to be honest, in this day and age, it's 2023, this barely happens. So doing a simple restart can easily fix this. But if it doesn't fix it, the next set of resolutions you can do is check your internet connection, head to Google Speed Test, and check if your internet connection is good. You want to download upload speed to be high and the ping as low as possible. So you can go to speedtest.net, check your download and upload speeds, check your ping if it's high. If it's not, you might want to restart your network connection. So you might want to restart your router. So restart your router. After that, again, restart your PC and then check your internet connection. And most of the time, 99.9% of the time, this is going to work. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.